Mom, people are sending another package.
Another present. She thought it was my cross stitch this morning. Yeah,
Candy.
chocolate.
Ooh.
I like chocolate.
You like
I
chocolate?
want these. These are my clothes.
Oh, cute shirt.
This
And a cute shirt.
is my shirt. It's your fit.
Ooh, a lollipop.
Not right
Not
now.
right now. We're gonna go eat in a minute. You can have it after, okay? Oh, that's cute. Ooh, what's that?
Toy.
It is a toy. Can you push the button?
Toy.
Ooh, it's like your mini one. That's an Easter egg.
This is mine.
Now you have two. You can share with Daisy when she comes over.
Okay. Oh,
I'll give it to Mommy. See what
Give
else
it
is in
down.
there. Ooh.
Fishy.
Goldfish.
This is my net and my bracelet. Look.
I'm looking. Can you get it?
Chicken.
Oh.
Chickens.
Chickens.
Look, candy.
Yeah, those are cookies. Those are ones Mommy likes.
More pops.
Another lollipop. Those are cute. More cookies.
Inside. Money.
Money. Ooh.
Here you go, Dad.
Thank you. Good girl.
You know who that
Now right where to put it.
Here. Inside the book.
Oh, it's a big book.
Can you get it? It might be kind of hard to get out.
No. Grab the book and I'll pull it out.
I don't know if you'll be able to do it.
Pull the book. Grab the top of the book. Oh, you got it.
Oh, good job, Cherry.
This is chickens.
Chickens.
Oh, read it.
Okay, read it right quick.
Baby animals on the farm.
Look at chicken.
What's the chicken say?
Quack, quack.
Cluck, cluck.
Click, click, click.
Look, candy. Horses. Oh, all animals outside.
They're all outside. Where are those?
Fools.
Foals.
Oh, it's a big one and a little one.
The big one's a horse and the little one's the foal. 'Cause it's a baby.
That's big. It's a little one. Let's see. Chickens. And the eggs. No. Mommy's eggs.
Yep, the mommy's eggs. Ooh!
Piglets.
Piglets. Good job.
Oh, for ducks.
Something else.
Ducks.
Ducks.
That was a
What do they
duck.
say?
Quack.
Quack.
Let's see.
Oh.
That is
Look, you have one more thing.
What's that?
a kitty.
A kitty.
We open it.
What does it say, Mommy? I don't think you can open it.
It says, we love you, Cherish. Love Mima and Papa.
Aww. You can tell me, Mom, people, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, good job. Blow 'em a kiss.
Mwah.
Say bye-bye.